everybody. Welcome to the Popsicle Challenge.
Yep. All right, so this is what we have so far. You ready, Lando? We have tangy sour twists.
Yes.
We have, what is that? Fish?
Sweetest fish, sour starburst, two sodas, Gatorade, and the popsicle mold.
Oh yeah, the popsicle mold. And we are gonna see, we're gonna make 6 crazy ice creams with all the stuff we have here. What flavor sodas do we have? What is that?
We have strawberry.
No, this looks like it's tiki punch and...
Tiki punch and orange.
Okay.
And Swedish fish.
What is this? What's this kind? It's a Gatorade, but what is it?
Gatorade,
It's like a lime and cucumber, I think.
Cucumber,
okay, well,
lemon cucumber.
Let's get started, all right?
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay.
So first step, we take off
so let's do this.
These.
Yeah, let's take these off. Let's figure this out. Okay.
Let's wash these, and then we pour the soda in.
Okay, well, I'm going to help you pour. Here, sit down. I don't want you to make a mess here. What flavor do you want to do first?
We are going to do the ones red, 2 reds, 2 reds.
What should we do? Okay, let's do that.
And then 2 blues.
Okay, here we go.
2,
Let's check this out. Let's get this right here. Here we
I'll
go.
put it.
Ready?
Yeah.
We'll do a red in this one. Help me pour it. Oh, nice pour. All right. And let's do 1 red over here.
Yeah. I thought it was going to spill. No, it didn't even go to spill.
Look at that. Oh, wow, look, all the fizz went down. We're going to need to add more soda, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go.
Let's get the fizz.
There we go. We got to leave a little bit on the top because the candies are going to overfill it right there. So let's get this one out of the way.
And then we need...
What color's next? What other one next?
Oranges for the blue and light blues.
Let's do that orange real quick. All right.
And when Dad puts the orange, I'm going to put the candy in the red. Right, Dad?
Yep. We got to figure out which one we're going to do. So let's do an orange in this one. Or do an orange in that one.
Yeah.
Double orange.
And then...
Which one's your favorite so far?
The orange.
You like the orange? So do I.
And let's put the sweetest fish.
Okay, wait, not yet. We got to wait to end. Wait till the end.
But I put some...
Okay, ready? So now the lemon lime. This is lemon cucumber, I think, right?
These are for the orange. The blue ones are for the orange. And the lemon lime is for these.
Let's see. Okay, so we got the lime here.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow, that smells good.
Good thing it doesn't.
Smell that. That smells delicious.
Mmm, cucumber lemon.
Yeah. Let me see your orange face. Let me see your tiki punch face. Let me see your lemon lime cucumber face. Oh yeah, that's weird. All right, let's get to the fun part. You ready? Okay, so what are you gonna do with this first one? What are you gonna put in here? What is that? Some fish candy. Let's try some of that. Okay. Get a strawberry thing in there. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. You can see on the inside. Look at that stuff. It's fizzing up. Let's put some in some other stuff as well. So let's see how it looks like when you swish fish from down the middle. Ready? Whoa, that looks cool.
Let me see. Let me put a fish.
Here we go. Ready? Look at these 3.
Whoa.
Man, that's gonna be a tasty one. Okay. Let's get a fish in there.
Let's
get a fish in each one, actually. This orange
blue
one
in there. Both of them are
okay.
blue.
Yeah, that one looks the best. All right. Is that all of it?
No, still more.
Oh no, that's too many fish. Here, let me get some more. Wow, get a zoom in look. Okay, now put the lids on. We gotta put the lids on to make sure they don't get too crazy, right? So which one do you think is gonna be the best?
All of them.
I'm gonna eat one of these Swedish fish. All right, let me see this. Try this candy.
I did.
Let me see your sour face. Oh no. Okay, let's see if you can catch this actually. If you can catch this, it's 5 points. Ready? No. Okay, let's go. Grab your ice creams. Let's take look, this is before. Oh, yeah. Looking good. Let me get a thumbs up.
Hey, Dada, look, the freezer looks orange.
Let me get a thumbs up. Close the fridge, and let's check back in it in a couple hours.
The popsicle are done. Now let's check them out.
All right, Superman, grab the first flavor. Which one are you gonna get?
No, oh yeah, I'd rather. Okay.
Which one are you going with? Orange? Okay, let's see. Whoa, let's get a close-up. Bring that thing closer. Whoa, you can see all the sour candies
That's awesome.
up there.
No,
Let's see how it tastes.
It tastes like soda.
Does it? Okay, put that one back. Let's try another one. Which one you try next? Uh-oh. Lemon lime cucumber. Whoa, let's get a look at that one real quick. That one looks the coolest. Turn it around. Let's see the other side. Whoa, that looks cool. Try it. Try to take a bite out of it. Try to get a bite out of that. You don't want to try the gummy worm? Okay, let's get the tiki punch. Let's get the tiki punch. Ooh, that one's bright red. Try that one. Good stuff? Was that fun to make, Lando?
Yes.
All right.
Popsicle's video. Like and subscribe. Bye.